Hello and welcome to this tutorial. Thank you to everybody who's downloaded this plugin, this Dodge and Burn plugin. Just thank you for everything and just sit tight. I'm going to show you guys how I use that Dodge and Burn plugin to create this beautiful image. This image was just opened. I merged some of the layers down, but this is what the image looked like before dodging and burning, and this is what it looks like after dodging and burning. I'll zoom in so you could get a better look. This is after dodge and burn, and this is before dodge and burn. I did clean up her skin. I did take away some of the wrinkles, dark spots, and everything else that was there prior to dodging and burning, like you all should. And this is what I'm left with afterwards. And I did do a layer mask here on the hair and just filled out that section of hair. I also paid attention to her shirt and removed some of those wrinkles on her outfit. So let's dive right in. Alright, so before I jump into this plugin and show you guys what this plugin does, I just wanted to take out the time to show you what the setup is going to look like on your layers panel. You're going to have a high pass layer, an eye help layer, a dodge and burn folder, and within that folder you have curves adjustments for the light and the dark. And that's basically it. You could duplicate. There will be two. There'll be one burn and one dodge. You could duplicate these as much as you want depending on the project you're working on. If you need to pay special attention to the eyes, the hair, the teeth, or whatever, you could definitely duplicate these layers to have them to work on. That's basically it. I have a target area layer here, which is pretty much optional. I use it so I could pay attention to areas that need work when I'm working on cleaning up the image, like pimples, wrinkles, dark spots, and so forth. This, like I said, is completely optional. You do not have to use this if you do not need it, but I sometimes need it so I could focus on what I'm doing. And that's basically the setup when it comes to the layers panel. So here you have the background image. Only thing that I've done to it is removed some of the pimples, the wrinkles, scratches, and stuff like that on the image. Nothing else has been done to this image. So what you're going to do is basically open your actions panel. You're going to go to the dodge and burn. You're going to click on the dodge and burn retouch action, and you're going to hit play. Once it's finished doing its thing, you're going to see these basic layers. As I mentioned before, you have the high pass, the eye help, and the dodge and burn folder with two layers inside, which are curves adjustment layers. They are the burn and the dodge layers. You could duplicate these as much as you like depending on the project you're working on. You could turn off eye help in case you need to take a look at the image and see how far you've come. One thing when working with frequency separation is that when you have the eye help on, you may have to adjust these fields depending on the image you're